Next we'll see about the joint sitting. Okay, simply about joint sitting. I have told what is joint sitting. Joint sitting means when two houses, when Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, both the members are sitting in a house, that is known as joint sitting of the house. So when and all this joint sitting happens, first thing, when Lok Sabha is passing an ordinary bill, okay, because joint sitting has nothing to do with your money bill, okay. Joint sitting is only for ordinary bills, okay. So when a bill is passed by Lok Sabha and going to Rajya Sabha, and if Rajya Sabha is not happy with the bill and it is saying some amendments, okay, it is saying some amendments, and it will be again passed to Lok Sabha. And if Lok Sabha is not accepting those recommendations given by Rajya Sabha, then it is known as deadlock. Okay, so deadlock is the main principle behind this joint sitting. When deadlock arises, joint sitting happens. So what are the conditions for deadlock we are seeing? First condition, what I have told. Okay. Second condition, if Rajya Sabha is not taking any action on the bill for 6 months, okay, then it is also known as deadlock. Okay. Like in these cases, if deadlock arises, mean joint sitting will happen. Okay. So what is the important thing of joint sitting? Presided by, I have told already, joint sitting is presided by your Speaker of Lok Sabha. Okay, not the chairman of Rajya Sabha. Okay, because both the members are there. Lok Sabha members also there, Rajya Sabha members also there. Okay, so who will preside? Preside means head. Who will head the joint sitting of the parliament is only the Speaker of the parliament, or only the Speaker of the Lok Sabha, not the chairman of Rajya Sabha. Okay. Second important thing is by rules of Lok Sabha. Okay, the procedures for this joint sitting will be followed by the rules of Lok Sabha, not the rules of Rajya Sabha. That is second point. The third one is chairman. I told Speaker will preside the joint sitting. If Speaker is absent, means Deputy Speaker will preside. If Deputy Speaker is also absent, then it is Deputy Chairman, not the Chairman of Rajya Sabha. He is not the member. The Chairman of Rajya Sabha is not a member of the Parliament. So how can he preside a joint sitting of the House? So if Speaker is absent, Deputy Speaker. If Deputy Speaker is absent, it will jump to Deputy Chairman, not the Chairman of Rajya Sabha. Okay, that is the thing with your joint sitting. So next we'll see about the budget. What is the budget formulation and how it is transferred in your house. Okay.